There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. Why they spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me. The greatest things you will ever learn, it's just to love and be loved in return. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. While they spoke of many things, good and kings, that he said to me, the greatest thing you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.